Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to get the latest PowerPoint now. Start by signing into the account tied to your Office license. Once signed in, save and back up any open files to OneDrive or a local folder so you don't lose work. Make sure you have admin privileges on your machine or ask IT. Close PowerPoint and other Office apps. This prevents file locks. Now, proceed to the app update path, either the Office account update control or the Microsoft Store, so you can fetch the newest build. You'll now run the update, open PowerPoint and go to File, then Account, and choose Update Options, Update Now. This checks Microsoft 365 channels. If PowerPoint came from the Microsoft Store, use the Store Apps Library and get updates instead. Those paths are different but both fetch the newest build. For organizations using SCCM or Intune, trigger the deployment policy or request IT to push the MSI or click to run update. While it downloads, monitor progress. Once the update completes, restart PowerPoint and verify the version and help. Make sure it matches the release notes you expected. If things don't look right, run Office Repair from Control Panel, choose Quick Repair first, then Online Repair if needed. This usually fixes component errors. If an update fails, clear the Office cache, uninstall and reinstall using your preferred installer, or provide IT with the exact error code and logs. A single troubleshooting tip: reboot between steps to clear locked files and services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.